myth, right?
Yeah, absolutely, it's a myth.
Yes. Because
And nothing is easy in life, and glamour is definitely not. People think glamour and creative is the most easy profession or easy thing to do. I'm sorry, I think it's the most hardest and difficult thing to do.
And
It's
to-
absolutely,
and
absolute
to
myth.
keep yourself in the game.
Absolutely, there's so
keep
much of
yourself-
competition. As
Yes.
I said, every day, everywhere, something or somebody or the other will come up. So it's a huge competition. So it's absolute myth.
It's a myth. So take a note of that. So that was a pearl of advice coming from right.
You know, even getting ready every day is such a difficult thing. Getting a professional makeup done, hair done is also a very difficult job. You have to spend that amount of time. You know, that is also not easy. So that's what I'm saying. So it is not easy at all. I think it's very difficult.
So I think, especially the younger generation who just go into the glamour part, they should think twice whether they are actually
That's
cut
why-
out for this kind.
That's why
And what
this
is the challenge?
generation
Because at times, there is good and bad everywhere.
everywhere. Yeah.
So I think, would you want to say that they should always look for a good mentor first?
That's what I said. The conversation with parents.
Not just parents, even in the profession.
Even in the profession.
Just
But-
not to
yeah,
run away from
absolutely.
home.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
There are
not
so many. You
filthy,
see so
right?
much of crimes happening.
Right.
Why?
Yeah, because
Because there is no guidance, there is no conversation, so
Right.
they are just doing whatever they are thinking that is the perfect or right thing to do,
Correct.
and they are just getting carried away, I would say.
they are getting carried away.
Getting carried away is the red flag.
That's the red
That's
flag.
the red flag.
And that's where you can go wrong, and you land up in doing wrong things, and you won't know that where you got lost.
Where
You can't track it down. So, I would say that you are extremely pretty,
Oh, thank you.
and you look extremely gracious
Oh,
whenever
thank
I
you.
see you, and
Oh, thank
everyone. So people behind the camera also smiling at
Oh.
you. So tell me something like, do you think that how important it is to have a beautiful exterior? Is it just the yes thing, or there is something beyond that we need to be successful?
So it again depends on what profession you're into, but
I will go by the industry you are in. So
yeah, then the exterior looks so definitely matters. But then, if you're extremely talented, otherwise, then it might not matter.
Oh,
That is also there.
but do you feel that beauty is just not skin deep? Yeah, because I mean, you need to look glamorous. That's a part of the thing. But what are the other qualities we need in order to? It's a very. Let me tell you guys, the industry we work in, it's extremely stressful,
Very stressful,
right?
Yeah.
And it looks the grass is always greener
On
on the other side.
Yeah.
So trust me, when you sit here and talking, we go through this every day. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
So that is why I get it. Grass is
There are
always
so much
greener.
of backbiting, politics, so
Politics,
many things.
yes.
People will always try to,
So what qualities you think that internally we should cultivate in order to be that pillar जिसको कोई हिला नहीं सकता है?
don't care.
Don't care attitude.
Do not care. Just do your thing, but you should be confident on what you are doing. You should be confident on yourself. Rest, don't bother, don't care. Probably that's why I'm sitting here today and whatever I have done or wherever I am today, because I only hear. मैं इस कान से सुनती हूँ, उधर से मैं निकाल देती हूँ.
कहते हैं ना
Maybe
भगवान
every time I feel very upset, I cry, I feel very, I get angry also. But then I was like, just do your thing.
correct.
Don't care. Nobody is going to feed you. Nobody is going to come and do your thing. Nobody is going to help you.
Right.
So just don't care.
True that. Don't take it. Let go. Let go should be your funda.
Yes, and you should concentrate and give time on your work and what you
Focus.
work. Focus.
See,
That's
we're
what I
getting
say,
such
focus.
tips from Lopamudra, like you need to be focused, guys. You need to know where you're going. You need a mentor. I'm
Absolutely.
just summarizing what she just said. And beauty is just not skin deep. You need to cultivate certain things. And I'm coming to a very main topic here, is that what you in generally do, Lopa, to remain emotionally centered, and what kind of things are you practicing that everybody needs to de-stress? So what kind of things do you practice for yourself where you can maintain your inner peace and clarity?
Okay, so here there are two things. First and foremost is that I have this 1 hour religious practice every day.
Wow.
I try this but try to do this every day. Maybe sometimes it get missed, but otherwise it's almost every day. This 1 hour religious practice, I first start with the Hanuman Chalisa when
Wow.
I get up in the morning. Then I have 3-4 more, things to do after Hanuman Chalisa. Then this Namyo Ringeo, this Buddhist, chant, that also I do it. Apart from this, of course, I pray to God every day. I have my own mandir, so that I do. But now with today's world, we have people like Payal Verma, where we get into wellness and therapies and all. And I personally go to Payal, and she has helped me to come out from a lot of things with her therapist. So that also I try to do from my busy schedule. So I think this is something which this generation, and of course the older generation, they should do. I mean, puja part, ये सब तो है ही. As I said, Buddhist chant really helps
Really
you.
helps.
Hanuman Chalisa really helps you. Apart from that, people like Payal and her wellness therapies are there to help all of us.
Wow, thank you. So now you know if you are in distress where to come.
Yes.
I am the address.
Absolutely.
So jokes apart, so you're a public figure, right? And नजर तो सबको लगती है, right? I mean,
मेरे को
it's
तो
a
हर
very
रोज लगती है.
wow.
हर रोज.
So
It's like it has become normal for
how
me.
do you practice something to protect your aura on a daily basis?
Yeah. All those wellness tips, those therapies, those you have shared with me, I try
Wow.
to follow
Okay.
them. And as I said, Hanuman Chalisa and
Chalisa.
Buddhist chant keeps me protected.
Excellent, excellent. So see, it's so important. So you're seeing the glamour, but yeah, beyond the glamour, she's doing so much of work on herself so that she can give you what you want to see. You see, so being a celebrity, you are always around people.
Yeah.
They all eye you differently.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely.
Some are happy for you, some are not so happy with
And
you.
jealous.
And
Oh my
some
god.
maybe yes.
Most are jealous only. But they want to be me, they want to copy.
Absolutely. So, but then that's a high, If people want to copy you means आप कहीं तो खड़े हो यार. That is why you have people wanting to copy you. So that was great. So you see, no matter which genre, whatever you do in life, most importantly, you need to have internal control.
Absolutely.
Right? And so even celebrities do that. So don't think that they're not practicing anything. They practice more than normal people.
Yeah.
Because
we need that extra strength.
extra protection,
Extra
you can
protection,
say,
yeah.
right? So, I mean, if it's okay with you, can we have some fun round?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Let's.
I mean, we went into a lot of tips for the.
Yeah.
So, yeah, please sip on your. So, this is a very interesting part of Starlight.
Mhm.
So, can we have a small rapid fire?
Yeah.
And if you're good at that, I'll be gifting you something.
Oh, I just hope so because I need the gift.
Yeah, you need the gift. So this will go fast, right?
Okay.
Okay, heels or sneakers?
At this point of time, sneakers.
Ah, okay. Sari or little black dress?
Little black dress, but sari is something that I love it. But because of my profession, little black dress.
Okay. And luxury shopping or luxury holiday?
Both.
You need to choose one, Lopa.
Both. This I can't choose.
Okay,
Sorry,
I
both.
give it a 0 on that. One down. You're a morning person or a night owl?
Both again, but then night out is more preferable.
Right. True that. Champagne or coffee?
Champagne.
Alright. So, one celebrity you want to go out on a date or a dinner. It can be anyone from any part of the world.
No one actually.
Not even me.
Of course, you are a friend.
Look at her. She didn't even look at me like I'm not even there on her list. No, jokes apart. Okay. Your ultimate guilty pleasure. आज पता चलना चाहिए सबको.
Chocolates and sweets.
Who will say she has all that? Nobody will believe you. Okay, your one fashion trend you secretly hate.
My fashion trend.
No. Any fashion trend which you secretly hate.
One fashion trend that I secretly hate.
Or maybe
Dirt.
not like it so much.
Okay.
Maybe not hate,
Uh-huh.
but one trend fashion trend which you are not very happy with? I mean, you won't want to do it.
Okay, so this is a rapid fire round. I forgot.
Yeah, I'm explaining too much.
Yes, yes. So nowadays the trend is, I see ladies with their nail art,
Yeah.
which has got a lot of flowers and trees and all. I mean,
Nail
excellent
art.
nail
Yeah.
art,
Ah.
but somehow I don't want to get into that trend.
Okay.
I know those big
Yeah,
flowers
I've seen
and
that,
leaves,
those flowers and all that stuff.
but they're just too much.
True that. True
It's
that.
too much. Maybe they personally like it, but I don't want to follow that trend. And they find it very trendy, very cool.
Yeah.
Because your nails should look little.
Classy more than.
I think that trend is very dirty. According to.
yeah.
It's like too much on your nails.
By the way, I want you guys to know that she's an entrepreneur. She is like she does so many things. So she has her own nail studio. So she also is into helping you with these. So can you tell the viewers a little how to connect with you if they want to get their
Again, they
nails
can
done?
Yeah, again they can call me or WhatsApp me or DM me in my social media messenger.
Alright, so get ready to get your nails done by her technicians. So, if you could swap lives with one person for 24 hours, who would that be?
I don't know what. I think swapping with whom? Actually, no one.
One was
No
zero.
one was zero. It's
One was
okay.
zero. Bollywood romance or Hollywood action?
Hollywood action.
No Bollywood romance, we don't want that. Okay, beach holiday or European getaway?
European getaway.
Wow, most adventurous thing that you've ever done. Are you adventurous, by the way?
Yeah, I'm quite adventurous.
Bungee
not
jumping
much,
and all that
but
you've done?
Yes, yes.
Really?
I recently went to this Amchong in Assam, Guwahati. It was a work trip. I went for an assignment, and I have never done those bungee jumping and doing all those activities in a
Yeah.
park from the, like, I think it was around some 300 meters up somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere else.
So that was very adventurous, and I have high BP, so yeah.
You enjoyed it?
I enjoyed it. In fact, I did that for the first time.
And you
And
were
I really
scared?
enjoyed it. I was scared, very scared, but I enjoyed it.
Okay, so she's a fire sign, by the way. Huh? That
Yeah.
we can see the fire there. What's your biggest weakness? Shopping, food, travel, or love?
Love, unfortunately.
No, don't say unfortunate. Love is always fortunate.
Yeah.
People who get your love will be very lucky.
Yeah, but I also need to get love. Huh. Yeah.
We have different kinds of love. So friendly love. तो
Friendly
जैसे
love.
कि-
Friendly love I have enough by God's grace. Thank you. But I'm lucky that way.
And your dream destination. It can be any place.
Yeah. Dream destination for a holiday, for work, to settle what? You have to be precise.
Maybe a holiday.
Okay, dream destination for holiday will be, for me at the moment, is Mauritius.
Wow. And please complete this sentence for all of us. I am happiest when.
So I have to say when, right?
No, please complete this sentence. I am means you are happiest when.
I'm happiest when I'm with all positive people around me.
Wow, that was so sweet. And so we've had such a wonderful, chit chat session with you.
Absolutely.
And
It was fun.
one piece of advice that you would want to give to the viewers, your perspective, before we sign off, what would it be? What would that one thing be?
Don't follow trends, don't follow fashion. Just make your fashion. You should know your body, your type, your complexion, your comfort level of carrying yourself, and accordingly you should, do your fashion, and you should be trendy as per your body and body type and your comfort level. So don't jump copying others.
Right.
Get inspired, but don't copy, and just don't follow fashion and trend blindly.
Wow, that was a lovely piece of advice. So before we come to the end, this is something very interesting once again. So if tomorrow nobody knew your name, you had no titles, no followers, and no spotlight, would you want people to discover about you simply by knowing you? So if all this is taken away, which is an integral part of your life, what remains
I remain as Lopa in everybody's heart, I'm sure.
in everybody's heart?
Yeah.
So, I mean, you're okay with that?
Very much okay, because you never know what is waiting for you in life. Nobody knows. So you should be ready for everything in life. And
Why I
embrace-
ask this is because people become very insecure.
No,
You
no,
see,
I'm very secure.
So this is
thankfully.
another message I would want you to convey to your fans and followers.
See, when I had nothing, I got something.
Correct.
So now I have everything, and I am already in my mid 40s. So if after say whatever 4, 5, 10 years, even if I don't have all this, it's all right. I have done and dusted, lived my life, no regret, no repent. I will. So whatever and however will be my life that time, I'll embrace that with my whole heart, and I will live accordingly. No worries.
So I'm speechless. It's like so much of positivity in this little frame that you have, and so much of power that Lopamudra Mandal carries in her persona and her words, and true inspiration.
Thank
So
you.
with that, I think we come to the end of today's episode, Starlight with Dr. Payal Verma, with a very special celebrity guest on board today, Lopamudra Mandal.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
And this is definitely co-powered by Amber, which is a charitable trust. And if you want to register, you want to be showcased on Starlight, you can either DM us or connect with me on WhatsApp. And my team is all set to get you on board, right? If you wish to, just connect with us. Before we sign out, I would want to thank you once again.
I should thank you for having me, and we had such a good time and good conversations.
Yes, we did. So with that, with all the love to you and wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
But we can't let you go just like that, no?
Okay.
You got 2-3 zeros, but I still
But see, I was honest.
yeah.
People
So-
would just choose for the gift. I didn't. I was honest.
True that. So you see that I can't let you go just like that. So I have this special gift for you.
Thank you.
And I'll
Thank you
hand
so
it
much.
over to you. Wait, there is something. This is for you, and that's a jade. So the jade is all meant to bring prosperity into your life.
Thank you. Thank you so
So the
much.
green and jade is a protective plant.
Okay.
So you can keep it in your bedroom or your living area, and it will clean the entire aura of this space. So this green is
Thank
for
you.
you to have abundance in your life.
Wow.
And-
I need this so much.
And there is yet another thing. So you have so many accolades, and I guess you are also the state spokesperson.
Yeah,
So could
for
you
the
tell our
human
viewers
rights.
about that as well?
Yeah, so state spokesperson in Women's Cell at the Human Rights Council of India. So yeah, I've taken the charge. Now let's see how much I can contribute towards the organization and towards the security and safety and benefit of all the women in our city.
True that, and it's same to same. Yes,
Same to
both
same.
of us are there.
Yes.
So if you need any help, Lopa and myself, Payal Verma, we are there to help you. You can connect with us. You can message us, and continue to love us. And this, so that's
the
us.
Starlight Cup.
And that is you.
Oh, wow, me and Payal. This is the
Yes.
best gift ever.
So this is a loving,
Thank
lovable
you.
memento that I created for
Absolutely.
you, especially for you.
See,
And I
this is how we'll be remembered. You were asking me now.
yes.
See, कुछ नहीं है, कुछ सब चला जाएगा है ना.
बिल्कुल एकदम. So thank you for watching.